Fox 14 News at 9.
A woman is stabbed to death at a party in Las Cruces. Thanks for joining us. I'm Joshua Zuber. Gina Benitez has the night off. First on Fox, police say the fight was all over a woman's boyfriend. KFOX 14 News at 9, Samantha Manning speaks with a neighbor who witnessed the deadly fight. It's an interview you'll only see on KFOX 14. Legarreta is charged with an open count of murder and tampering with evidence because police say she tried to clean herself off after the fight. El Paso County is trying to borrow managers from the city of El Paso, and some city leaders say it's a disaster waiting to happen. KFOX 14 News at 9's Rick Dupont joins us live from downtown El Paso. Improving El Paso's streets, bridges, landscaping, and drainage is on City Council's agenda on Tuesday. The nearly $63 million in improvements would come from obligation bonds. City Council meetings happen weekly. They start at 8:30 a.m. and are held at City Hall. El Paso's water utilities company says it's prepared to supply water despite our region's continued drought. The CEO will speak before county commissioners tomorrow. The biggest problem our water resources face is snowpack in the Colorado and New Mexican mountains. If it's low this year, we could be in trouble. You can attend county commissioner meetings downtown. They start at 9:30 a.m. Another developing story out of the El Paso Independent School District. Several deaf students and their parents go before the Board of Trustees asking for better interpretive services. Those students say they're falling behind. The district says it's doing everything it can to make sure the students are receiving a good education. Terry Myers, the mother you just heard from, says the interim superintendent is scheduled to meet with these parents sometime early this week about the interpreter issue. We'll let you know what happens. In your election watch tonight, the next presidential debate happens in less than 2 days, and this time it will be up to undecided voters to ask the questions. Athena Jones has a look ahead. Extreme athlete Felix Baumgartner breaks a record today after a 24-mile jump from the stratosphere. Fearless Felix, as he's called, came down in the eastern New Mexico desert minutes after jumping from his capsule above the earth. He lifted his arms in victory shortly after landing, sending loud cheers from jubilant onlookers and friends inside the Missions Control Center in Roswell. During that free fall, Baumgartner reached a staggering speed of nearly 700 miles an hour. A local community makes a top 100 list. Why the city is being favored after a nationwide survey. The state education agency is changing how teachers interact with their students, how recent allegations about student-teacher relationships are changing school district policies. A New Mexico teacher tries to ban a popular snack, why the educator says parents need to step in and help. And a local mom is sentenced to jail time, but now she faces even more years in prison. What charges she's facing next week? Next on KFOX 14 News at 9. It's coverage you can count on.